Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add stunning color combination into your design with Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is the PC version, desktop version. You can sign in with your account, and in order to start, you can click apps, then click design essential. Here you can scroll down and try to find color mix. So here, brighten your day with stunning color combination. Look at the world with rainbow colored lenses. These fun color palettes will brighten up any photo in a totally unique way. So you can click use in existing design if you already have an image, or you can use in new design. So here we go. So you can select an image to apply the effect, or you can try to drag an image from your directory, from your PC, for example. So I wanna add this one. Here we go. So you can try to add this is the none. This is the rainbow, arctic, amethyst, marmalade, and parakeet. So this parakeet is I wanted to try. So you can increase the saturation or decrease, and this is the hue offset, and this is the rainbow offset. Here we go, and rainbow amount. So here we go. For example, let's make it not too bright, but let more vibrant. And here, if you're done, just click save. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.